Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While opening the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 3 screws and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the back cover by releasing the adhesive and disconnecting the fingerprint plug. Next, disconnect the LCD and main flex plug from the logic board. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, take out the battery. First, loosen both adhesive tabs on the bottom, and then gently use your fingers or tweezer to pull out the adhesive strips. If the stick is strong, apply heat to soften the battery, and then use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, disconnect and pull out the main flex. Next, pull out the charging port board by disconnecting the antenna head and the screw. If the board is holding tight, apply some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, gently pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the logic board frame by undoing 7 screws. Next, pull out the logic board by removing the SIM tray. Next, take out the earpiece speaker from the body. Next, pull out the buttons and brackets from the frame. Next, apply some heat to release the power volume cable. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are 2 different screen types in the market. The one is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And also, the price difference is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this tab is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the button flex on the new frame. Next, place the buttons and bracket. Next, place a speaker. Next, secure the logic board on the frame and then add the SIM tray. Next, secure the board frame by adding 7 screws. Next, place a battery with adhesive. Next, secure the LCD connector. Next, place a charging port board on the frame and then secure it with the screw. Next, place and secure the antenna head. Next, place and secure the main flex. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, secure the fingerprint connector and place the tape on the back cover. Next, secure the battery connector and place the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering off the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.